This is jeepney going to the Angeles, Pandakachi, Magalan, Karayat. This is waiting place, bus station to Cubao. Good time. Because same pizza in the walking street, same minimum 90 peso. You see, 38 peso. Oh, you can see. You can check for free. Free I check. You see 3 hours 400 peso, 2 hours 350, 1 hour 250. Not so many people, of course it's not touristic season. So first you need to go inside. Because this time Asian people eat tricycle. And you will know how much you need to pay. Also we asking about filming in the public street.
This is landmark. During his time, the time when he was executed by the
Hi everyone, today Wednesday and I want to go to Landers and take free Landers card. I will show to you. This is Landers card they give me free. Because discount have in Landers 350, it's total 700 and my bank give me also 50% discount. That's why now I will try to take a free Landers card. I will show to you. This is Landers entrance. Good afternoon. So this is membership. It's easy. I take card for 5 minutes only. 5 minutes. 1 year. It's free. So I will buy now some foods. I need water only. So I will buy water now. I will not filming inside. I just only show here. This is Landers, you can see. So I already bought what I need. And now I show to you near Market Mall because already have some new in near Market Mall. I can show to you now. Before don't have Jollibee. Now have Jollibee. Starbucks also. One year I'm not filming here. In the front you can see this is mayor's office. New Starbucks. It's very close from Landers and Market Mall. Generator have in this Jollibee. Also new buildings. Motor market have. Don't have people because time now 1 p.m. only. Coffee shop. Oh, also CR. Good. Another coffee shop. Again coffee shop. So many coffee shops. Seafood. Same have in the Clark Park playground. Seafood house. Chicken also. Really, for 1 year, it's so fast how I build. Ramen. It's good for evening. Maybe someday we go to this place with Shira and eat here. Car parking, I think evening time maybe street foods open. So now I will go to Markham Mall because I want to buy some foods for Shira. Shira feel not good today and she don't want to go outside. And she asking me to buy. She said Jollibee, not Jollibee. She said chicken and salt she want. If I already near, I will buy chicken and salt. 3 days she feel not good. I don't know what happened with her. And she don't want to go to doctor. She said I want stay in home, rest. I'm already near bus station. Bus and jeepney station. I will show now. This is jeepney going to the Angeles, Pandakachi, Magalan, Karayat. Also to Manila you can take bus. Another side I will show. To Dao also. This is Arayat, Magalan. SM Pampanga. So we also go to San Fernando. To SM Pampanga. And this side, here waiting bus. It's bus to Manila, to Cubao. This is waiting place, bus station to Cubao. Good time. Transport. Same bus station, same like Dao bus station, only small. This is 5 stars, Victory Liners. It's a different buses. 5 stars of Victory Line only. And now I will go to Markham Mall. I will use this bridge. Markham Mall transport terminal exit. So going to bridge. Police also here. It's good if have police. Oh, prohibited selling here. It's also. So this is Ayala Mall, Marki Transport Terminal. And you can see Jollibee Burger King and Landers. I walk only this way. Only this way. It's so close. CCTV camera have also good. Usually this road direction to this way to NLEX. This is already NLEX. Heavy traffic from 4 to maybe 7 or 8 p.m. Heavy traffic because many cars going to NLEX, to Manila or any destination. But now don't have traffic. That's why I go now this time. This time better for travel to Marquee Mall or Landers. Don't have traffic, easy to drive. Entrance Marquee Mall. Security guard here. Good afternoon. Oh, I will show to you pizza. I know pizza. It's only 35 peso. I hope it's available right now. We bought before. A pet shop. And not only pet shop, it's for cars also. Blade. This is department store. Subway, ramen. Yes, I hope have pizza. Shira don't want pizza. She said I want chicken and a salad. I said okay. But I want to show to you pizza. Because same pizza in the walking street, same, minimum 90 peso. You see, 38 peso, 45. This is one slice. 45 peso. You see price. Box is 300, 355. This brand. So you know, in the walking street, expensive. No, of course, it's touristic place. But here you see, you can buy different kind of pizza. And only 45 peso. 45, 38 peso. Before 35, now 38 peso. It's okay. Even 40 peso, 45, it's also cheap. Rosters. Sometimes if I go to extend my visa, I sit here and wait because need wait 2 hours. 2 hour extend visa, and I eat here and waiting. Siao Mai also, you see, 50 peso Siao Mai. Gulaman, 15 peso only. So in the public place in the Philippines, you can eat not expensive. Oh, you can see, you can check for free. Free eye check. You see, free eye check. I already checked before, that's why for me not need. This is free. It's me. I already sunglasses have so many. But I just show to you. If you want to check for free, just go to here. It's at Marquee Mall, 2nd floor. Near elevator. You see, this is elevator. Go up and go down. And eyewear, Japan design, and you can free check your eyes, free check. In the down you can buy, you can pay for parking 20 peso. But for me not need because I already park in Marquee Mall and Landers. Evening, so many people go to the Marquee Mall, and this is like playground because it's not hot. And many people go with family, with children. Okay, I will show something maybe open soon. Another sunglasses, so many sunglasses. You see. Oh, for children also good. Kids zone. 3 hour. You see, 3 hour 400 peso, 2 hour 350, 1 hour 250. It's okay, good price. And can play here in the sun. Adidas have full balance. Guys, I want to say, in the Philippines, brands cheaper than in the other places. I know, because I bought sometimes Adidas or some brands in Hong Kong. But if you buy in the Philippines, more cheaper and sometimes have discounts. That's why for me better buy in the Philippines. Of course, it's brand, it's original, it's not copy. Copy better I buy in China. But I don't want copy because it's not the same. Copy and original is different. I don't like copy. If you want to buy copy, it's for sleep only or for work maybe, I don't know. No, but I not use. Okay, I will go to the first floor. Buy one, get one. Discount everywhere, you see, so many discount. Oh, this is Suki. Suki, it's mean regular customer. But in Russian language, Suki, it's bad word. If you say in Russia Suki, it's you say bad word. So that's why some of Russian people, if see Suki, they don't want to. they really mad because it's like beach. It's not. It's bad word. Suki. Okay, I go into the down elevator. So you already know, second floor have pizza in front of Roasters, Kenny Rogers. 38 peso only. Okay, I will go to I want to find for Shaira chicken and asal. It's very close from extension office. Toll House, Jollibee. Jollibee she don't want. Oh, Jollibee cheaper, that's why so many people. I think in Nassau this time 1:20 p.m. I think so many people. Many girls want to always buy here because so many decoration. So many. Oh, copyright music, okay, I will leave. So I will show to you where you can extend visa. If you go to the Philippines and you want to extend visa for 30 days, this way, turn right. It's entrance to Metro Mall. And you see, this is immigration. Angeles Field Office. Not so many people, of course, it's not touristic season. So first you need to go inside. Here. Inside you need to wait your line. After you need to pay for visa extension. No, first you go to visa extension, number 2 or number 3. Pay and wait. It's 30 days for extend. It's about 3,000 peso. 3,000 to maybe 100. I know, I forgot already. So it's not expensive. You can extend only first month, only 30 days. And next extension, you need to pay for ACR card. ACR card, it's with 2 months, it's about 7,000 peso. About, I just say to you about because I forgot already.
Only basic.
Show fun, show. So many people because new maybe, or maybe today have discount. That's why many people. It's only worker, it's a staff. Or maybe not, because same uniform. Yeah, it's new. 1 year I not been here. In Nassau, yes, in Nassau of course. In Nassau so many people this time. Because this time Asian people eat. Okay, I will show first what have here. Fry not interesting. Potato is also fry. Egg pie sweet. 50% sugar. Okay, hi. Cookies, all cookies 30 peso. For example, in SM 40, 45. But here cheaper. So in Market Mall is cheaper. You see, these people sit here. Sit and eat because it's time for eat now. It's already entrance to metro. Notice outside foods, not eat from foods outside. Okay. But I will take out only because we will eat with Shire in home. Okay, I will switch off my camera and I will order. Order two chicken. I total paid 264 peso. Oh, they already put my correct name because sometimes if I said Leon, they said Neon or something another. So you see, they prepare and need only wait my call. You see, most of the people is very popular as PM1. This is chicken leg rice. I buy sola. Sola it's mean without drink. Also halo. You see this is you can see it's halo. I cannot see. So halo is very popular in the Philippines. I don't know. Oh, this is halo. You see, this is halo and also halo. But halo I only see in the Philippines because in Russia they not make ice together with milk, with fruits. Because if they have ice cream, they can make ice cream, but not with ice. We prepare now for takeout because I need takeout for takeout. And this is in Nassau. Need only pay cash. I try to pay Gcash, but they say, oh no, only cash. Only cash. Maybe not working machine, I don't know. And you see this is Grab Rider. Grab Rider waiting now and for delivery. It's not expensive. About 35-60 peso regular. But weekend price maybe 100 peso. So if you want to order Grab in weekend, so price maybe 100 peso. So if you live near in Nassau, it's better walk or drive car, motor. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, this is my order. And I will go to Landers now. This is parking for motorcycle. Usually full of motors here. Tricycle and how much now? Car 30 peso, moto 20. Already expensive. Before 20 peso for car and 10 peso for motor. Same in the SM. Increased price right now. Before SM 20 car and 10 peso for motor. Oh wait, I will check how much. Regular price tricycle, and you will know how much need to pay. Mountain View, 2.3 kilometers, 40 peso only, 40 peso. So guys, not pay 100, 200. As you see, Mountain View, it's only 40 peso. From Marquee Mall to SM Clark, 55 peso. Diamond, Balibago, 40 peso. Very cheap. So you already understand how much you need to pay for tricycle driver. Okay, understand.
Kita na doon.
I am near mayor's office. Okay, I will walk through mayor's office and I will show to you. Last time I've been only when we have problem with Korean aggressor. Also we asking about filming in the public street. Lazantine we asking before we walk with Shaira. And because one of the guy in the blocking street said need permission. Police said permission, but it's police also not understand. We said, what kind of permission in public street? We don't know, sir, we don't know. Please go to mayor's office. I said, okay, I will go to mayor's office. And the mayor's office say in public street not need permission. This is entrance of mayor's office. This is parking. This is free parking. No, you can give money, but this is free parking.
Solusyon yung balo kita na solusyonan lang kaya ako.
Not use horn. And also you cannot go inside if you use slippers, shorts. Only you need to wear good clothes, so you cannot go inside. So Chief Justice, Hall of Justice. This is in Tagalog.
This is his landmark.
Mm-hmm.
During his time, the time when he was executed by the Japanese.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, I will read later. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, friendly people here, you see. They explain to me, this parking is free parking. If you go to the mayor's office, free. Oh, it's new also. Chief Baboy, unlimited. I think evening only open. Okay, we go to Landers. So I already bought what I want in Landers, and now I go to the home Shaira waiting for me because she's hungry. And next video maybe from Friday. And Friday I try to do live stream in the walking street. I hope I will try again in Kokomas. Okay, thank you for watching.